is getting ready to rain, so I figured I'd cover up my grill, and first thing I noticed was there was a cricket in my cover, and then something a little worse than a cricket in my cover. You gonna come out of there or what? There we go. There he is. So, not a big one, but it ain't gotta be a big one. Hey, I want to hurry up and get this done before the lawn guys get over here and start making a bunch of racket. This is day 30 in the garden. So according to the seed packet, I should have radishes out there. I can't find any. So what I think happened was I put so many seeds out here, you know, just trying to cram everything in there, that the radishes got taken away by the turnips. That's my opinion. I'm going to look some more today, and then again in a few more days, and see if maybe, you know, things will appear. But I've looked in the container that's numbered that says that the radishes are in it, and I don't see anything but turnips. So live and learn. Don't plant so many seeds. Follow your directions and spacing and all that. But let me get this thing turned around so you ain't got to look at me and these cool glasses. So I see the garden every single day, you know, so I wasn't real impressed with it. I had some things that I didn't at all like about what was going on. But I was looking at the videos last night or this morning from, you know, day one. You know what, there is quite a bit of growth, and would be a whole lot more, I guess, if I hadn't, you know, intensely planted. But here's, after 30 days of watching this thing go and comparing what's going on inside the containers with what's going on in the pots that are in the soil, and what's going on in just the bare soil, and what's going on inside the bricks. All right, I would say at this point, at day 30, don't plant inside cement bricks. It's not that the stuff doesn't come up, but I just don't think that the plants like it. They don't appear to be doing nearly as well compared to what's going on inside the container. Because this is a spaghetti squash right here. And so is nearly everything you see on the outside border of the concrete right there. So the same species, but the growth is, you know, 6 times better. So I don't know what to say. I took all of the habanero starts that were that had come up inside the bricks, and I moved them. I relocated them to this pot and the blue one over there. I thinned, you know, I had that huge bunch of tomatoes right here. I thinned those out, moved some here, and over here. So these should be, if I remember correctly, those should be cherry tomatoes from the grocery store. The kale, the baby kale is doing good, but these, you know, just about everything, everything that's inside the bricks, inside the concrete blocks, is not doing well at all. So, you know, it's the same exact material that's inside the bed. So I'm not quite sure, you know, what to say about that. Still getting some pepper production. The 6 plants that I bought when they were really small are now, let's say, 20 inches tall, and they're blooming. So we're doing good there. Won't be long. Every pepper plant is either has peppers on it or is blooming. I think with one exception. This one back here seems to have got hit with something. I don't know, the top of it's all curled up there. I'm not quite sure what's going on. So it's got blooms getting ready to start down there, but it's stunted somehow. Let's see. Got the bee box built and installed yesterday or day before yesterday. I built 2 more yesterday. I'm going to finish those up here in just a few minutes. I've got ladybugs that have come in, and I also yesterday found a praying mantis on the peppers. So we've got all kind of activity going on. These are a different design solitary bee box, because after I built the other bee box I learned that they will also use 6mm holes, so I had all that cane left over, so I drilled these out at 6mm. The white tipped ones are 8mm. It's sitting in a 4-inch piece of PVC pipe. It's going to be, mounted like that, and these, when they dry a little more, I'll snap those on as a overhang on the roof. Probably an inch overhang on the roof when they dry a little bit more. You'll see those in a later video, I'm sure. That's all I got. I appreciate y'all watching. Hang in there. We'll see what comes up.